Commission. Composition.
Good morning again, guys. So, before the break, we got your skin on point. Now to tie it all together by getting to the root of the matter. See what Karine did there?
Root?
Yeah. Owner of Natural Glam by Toya, Latoya Nemard. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Welcome back.
Thanks so much.
So, everybody loves your locks, but now you're becoming like this authority on hair. And a lot of the times, people tend to go to the hairdresser and spend a bag of money and still don't get what they want. So what we're going to talk about this morning is the things that we have at home that we can use in our hair.
And there are many.
The first one on the list was something that I just said, negative, no, never going to do again, ever in life. What's that?
Aloe vera.
No,
The
egg.
egg.
The egg?
Yeah, it smell like egg. Why would you put egg in your hair?
Because it's very high in protein, so it's really good for your hair. If you're deep conditioning, it gives your hair elasticity.
Hold on,
Yeah,
hold on,
it's really, really good.
Hold on.
What? It's good for you. You know, a lot of the things
Egg.
in these bought treatments that we have on the street.
They
have this
actually
stuff
have,
in
yeah,
there.
they do.
Egg extract? Does it have?
Yeah,
Well,
probably
probably.
use like the albumin, the white part, and put.
It's really good.
Alright, so how do I do it? I just... Cause
You legit
as a
just
man,
crack
you know,
the egg.
As a man, I need just to crack it on my head and just...
As long as it gets on the strands,
Okay.
you're good to
So,
go.
alright, so I just... Is it the entire egg like the
you
yolk?
can use only the whites, you can use the yolk.
I mean, you're the hair authority.
Yes, so
You
what
recommend.
happens is you're going to be using it as somewhat of a deep conditioning treatment. So after you apply it to the hair, you can put on like a plastic cap and give it some time to get hot under there. You know, do your chores around the house, whatever.
Like I go on the road in mine, you know, put on the plastic cap
And
and then
then
tie it
with a
down with something, or
scarf?
put on a
Okay,
hat, and
thank
I'm
you.
under, put on some big earrings and just work it
and
let
it looks
get
cute,
treated.
yeah? Yeah, and you're getting it done like at the same time. You don't have to stress about, you know.
Yes, Dwayne. Half the time when you see people on the road, you don't know what's
You
going
don't know
on
what's
under the
happening under
scarves
there.
and the hats.
But no, man, no.
Yes.
Come on, you know me better than enough people. You're supposed to
but
know.
me never say walk with egg on your head.
Not the egg, no. My treatment, I tell you, I say I
No,
can't
a
use
treatment
egg
is
quite
for
raw.
but the
I
treatment-
can't personally use egg, but I know a lot of people should because it's good for you. It's a
It's really good.
protein treatment.
Very, very strong.
Just crack
protein.
it, massage it in your hair. That's all you have to do.
What about the aloe vera?
The aloe vera is also very good. It has prolytic enzymes in it. So it kind of helps also as a deep conditioner. Person just literally slice it, rub it on there the same way. You can use it also on your skin.
What is a proteolytic enzyme?
It's something very wonderful in there. I couldn't tell you, I'm not a scientist.
But it works.
Yes, it be working. So, you know, it's also in there.
So when it comes down to, because we're talking about men and how we don't really take care of ourselves, our skin, our nails, and our hair now. So with the aloe vera, what does it do for my hair? Because
The same thing it would do for a female's
Yeah.
hair.
So
It gives
do I
it
have to-
moisture, strengthens it. It's good for your scalp if
Yeah.
you have dandruff
And
problems.
it gives you shiny hair.
Yes, it makes it very
hair.
shiny.
And shiny means healthy.
Yes, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to get stuff that helps us to retain that moisture, because the lack of moisture is what causes it to break.
Breakage.
So for us, you're trying to get your hair, you know, to grow,
Yeah.
and you need it to be moist so that it doesn't break. Because the breakage, you know, it doesn't retain length if it breaks a lot.
Here's another one that I won't use, mayonnaise. Because mayonnaise is mostly comprised of egg.
See why that you see that?
Yeah, and it's
Yeah.
the smell of
But that
it.
can be a deep conditioner.
It is a good
It
deep
is a
conditioner.
very good deep
So there you go.
conditioner.
Hey.
It is a very
Yeah,
good
I'm
deep
wrong, there is
conditioner.
too much.
Expert this morning. If you need a,
So the mayonnaise does pretty much the same thing.
if you
Yeah.
need
Moisture,
an intern.
moisture, shine.
And they also said it will treat dandruff too because it has vinegar in it.
in it, exactly.
I didn't know that.
This is, I want to ask about this one, baking soda.
You know,
Because I see it on this. and
Me
I
no
don't
know
know
no
why.
about
I
baking
don't know.
soda
That's
part,
not
you know,
on
because
my
baking soda cleans things. So I'm assuming it's kind
maybe
of
a
like
cleaning,
moving
you
the
know, for
residue.
cleansing maybe.
So at what point would you use the baking soda then? Would it be at the start before
I'd
you put
figure
in the
after
egg?
your shampoo. Usually we use shampoo to get out the majority of the
And then you go in
dirt,
with the
and then
conditioner
you
and
go
do
in
your
with
little
whatever.
moisturizing.
It's a beer food, me see a banana.
This is what you have at home.
Banana,
Yeah.
You can use
avocado.
banana. Yeah, avocado is
No, put
awesome.
avocado in my ear.
No,
Look,
but that's
it's really good.
Because I want to eat it.
So you can just eat some if you're hungry, just suck off a strand.
From your go road with egg in the head. I don't put anything past you.
I don't. We've got honey on the list.
Honey is also
I
very
used to
good.
use honey in my hair and on my face.
Okay, so the honey has a property in it that allows whatever honey is on, it kind of sucks moisture out of the air. So it helps to just lock in that moisture.
That
just
big
keep
word
it
that's on the
soft.
screen, humectant, that's what that means.
Natural humectant, yes.
Yeah, so the moisture allows it to not break as much. And it really helps.
Coconut oil. I've heard pulls impurities as well.
Yes.
So when you
Yes.
put coconut oil in your hair, but at what point do you do it though?
Remember, we're moisturizing. Some persons, they implement these oils in their actual conditioning routine. So you ever see them make the nice, what do you call those, DIY deep conditioners, hair masks and stuff? Before, after, during your wash, it doesn't really matter. Like usually after, you can use it to moisturize. You apply it to your scalp, apply it to the hair, and you're good to go.
One of the things that I have learned though, and I'd love to share with everybody, is every single solitary soul's hair is different. So you have to find what works
for you.
So I can't tell you I use this, and this, and it
it's
will
going to work
for you.
It's literally a trial and error.
I was just about to say it's been a trial and error for my hair. Everybody asks me, oh, here you go. No different things to try.
Yeah.
And when I find one that works, I stick with it for a while till it stops work. Because after a while, it stops
your hair
working.
literally gets used to certain things after a while.
But Toya, you need to start some consultation then.
She does.
Yeah, man. Because
Hit me up.
if you have consultation for skin, you can have the same
Yeah,
with
hair
hair. So then you can,
You definitely
narrow.
can. Usually, those are done literally over the phone because I work from home. So a lot of times persons can send me videos of what their hair looks like. Yeah, pictures of what their hair looks like and ask my opinion that way.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, we have
Anything in
two
my
other things on the list that we didn't get to. Apple cider vinegar and rice water.
You guys, you know, you've heard about the ACV
Yes,
and the
we've
movement.
heard.
Yeah, I've heard
Very
about
good
it.
for
And
a
it's
lot
good
of things.
internally as
Yes. I don't know, but it's so funny because these things have been around for so long, and then it's just know that the knowledge is surfacing. Like, oh, this is really good for this. Yeah, the ACV.
Yeah, the
very
apple cider
good.
vinegar thing, it real because I drink it. So, yeah, man.
For persons with locks, it also helps to detox your locks. So what you can do is, get some apple cider vinegar, put it in some warm water, and literally just soak your locks in there for a bit. You'd be so surprised what comes out.
Yeah.
And then wash it out, guys. Apple cider vinegar does
It
smell
does
good.
smell nice.
So I saw rice water. I'm kind of afraid to use rice water.
That's what they say Chinese people
Because
and a lot of Asian
but
people.
next thing, no. Next thing I wash my hair with rice water, it go into my face.
That's good for you.
No.
They say it's good for the
Because
skin
when
too.
you wash your face with rice water,
You see, Duffy?
owner of Natural Glam by Toya, the Toya name heard.
Thank you so much for stopping by, honey.
Thanks for having me.
Ladies, you're listening? Our next segment is definitely all and only
Yeah, and I
for
want to be
you.
here for this.
When we get back from the break,
I'm
so don't
staying
go
for this
anywhere. We're
one.
talking about yoni.
I'm staying for this one.
You have a yoni?
I'm staying for this one.
Take up the mic and flick for your lyrics. Me say if you think I lie, you was a outlaw manic. Oh man, listen, me say cat and me no talk on miss. Cat and me,